Hi everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of creating an entire world on the fly. Now, to sum up what we did in part 1, we created our new world, the Cosmic Labyrinth, and made the setting which the players will start on, a planet called Giveron 3. We're picking up from where we left off by creating the valuable mineral that is found within the planet. Welcome to D20 in Disguise. Okay, so we're back, and I finished the article on Giveron 3. Let's move on to describing Kylos, the mineral which can be found within the planet. So, let's go down to the material template and make a new article. The original idea which I had for what Kylos would be used for would be that it would be the main component of rocket fuel. So it would be explosive, but very valuable, as in a sci-fi world, what is there without spaceships? So, let's add that to the prose really quickly. Kylos is the main component in rocket fuel. Most starships and cruisers. This mineral is very valuable, and go repeating what we said in the Giveron 3 article for nearly 5,000 imperials per kilo. The mineral is formed deep within the ground in freezing temperatures. To purify it, it must be heated to 1,000 of a degree below boiling. So it does not explode. Let's add a little bit of extra information. At the current moment, scientists against pollution, it has to be a thing in almost any world, are trying to develop a fuel without Kylos. But all the major fueling companies are against it and covertly road blocking the operation. So real quick, I'm going to go through the different other information. Physical characteristics. Properties. Geography. rainbow. Now I'm going to add a little bit more depth to the 3 settlements of Givron 3. Let's start with Azrin. Azrin, I think, should be the quote-unquote good town. They should try and be fair. They should try and give the poor money. They should be less focused on the mining and more focused on the welfare of the inhabitants of Azrin. That kind of stuff, that cliche stuff. So, let's add a little prose describing that. Azrin is the most fair settlement on Givron 3. It cares more about the welfare of its inhabitants than about its mining affairs. For this reason, it is the most populated and fastest growing. Think about the consequences of it being that fair, and the fastest growing settlement of the 3. However, always at its drawback. For this reason, Kerpos and Rudair might try to sabotage the prosperous city of Azrin. That's some pretty good detail. We don't need a lot to start with, as this is on the fly and we need to create as much as we possibly can in the shortest time, but it's a good start. And I'm thinking for this campaign, the players are going to be starting in Azrin. So, we pretty much have all we need. We have a world, we have a planet, which the players are going to be on, we have a city which the players are going to be in, and we have something which is interesting about that planet, which we could turn into a starting adventure. I totally think that I can use this world from where it is if I had a plot with it. If I didn't, then, well, that might be a problem. But if I did, then I would be set and golden. And that will about wrap it up. Thank you all for watching the video and staying until the end. I really appreciate it. And make sure to like the video, comment if you thought something was interesting or you had a question for me, and subscribe if you really like the video and want to see more content like this. Keep on creating. See ya. Oh my gosh, it's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Okay. This, Caleb, no to editing, Caleb. This after this, the stuff after this, it's just background noise if you need it. Goodbye.